I'm Megan. I'm the owner of Imagine That and More.
I am Linda. I am mom. I am partner in crime.
So we may look like a quilt shop, but we don't actually consider ourselves a quilt shop. We consider ourselves a creative space for the fabric arts.
When people would first walk into the store and they'd say, "This is wonderful," and you could feel the change in their soul.
If we built a place, people in our neighborhood or in the area could come and have a little refuge.
You can walk into the shop and sort of breathe and relax and enjoy the beauty and enjoy the company. And of course, find something else wonderful to buy, which I do always.
So we offer a lot of beautiful fabrics, hand stitching projects, knitting, crocheting. We also have the long arms available because our goal is for people to be able to grow their skills.
You are welcomed at whatever level you are at.
It's very important that they feel safe.
We just encourage people throughout the process. It's a fun place. Everything we do, we like it to turn into like a mini party.
Enjoy the experience.
Right. In your life, everything you build for yourself will eventually go away. We have the potential to leave a legacy, and that legacy is all the lives and people that we touch. When I see this place filled with people, I think, yeah, this is what it's all about.